Okay, welcome. In this quick video, we're going to learn how to use tables. Tables allows you to put things beside each other. Okay, like here we have a banner and then two windows that are beside each other rather than underneath each other in a row. So this is you use tables to be able to lay out your content on your website to give it a certain appearance. Well, this is a basic way to do it. So in this example, we're going to make a directory. We're going to pretend that we have a website that is a directory of other websites. So let's say, for example, we have photographers. So we're going to give all of our photographers for their monthly fee or whatever we're charging them, we're going to give them a place on our website. So to do that, we're going to need a directory. Now, there's a lot of ways you can do this, and that's not what this video is about. This video is about how you lay the content out, not what content you're going to use. So let's say that this is one of our clients right here. Okay, and what I'm going to do, what I want to do is for a really, really good listing so people can, see the whole website, is I'm going to take this part right here of the website, so the whole website, okay? I'm going to take the top of it right here, and I'm going to put that in my directory, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns in my table, sorry. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go over to the WYSOM editor and we're going to select table, and when I select table, then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now some of them go the other way, but either way, like the squares start at the other side, either way it doesn't matter. So I'm going to do that. Okay, now see how it has laid this out, and you can change, and this is the code for it over here. Okay, so you can change the widths by changing them over here, or you can change them over here. Either way will work. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just, you have to be careful to just highlight the word without any spaces afterwards, or you're going to pick up too much HTML. I'm going to copy that and go back here, and I'm going to click center and place that in my first box, and then go back here, and again remember not only what you have there, otherwise it's gonna mess up. Okay, this is just one way. You could actually manually type it in. I'm going to show you how to do one on one of those as well. Center, paste, and then let's just, for this one, we're going to do, I'm going to click it to get the link. Let's go ahead and go back for later's purposes. So I'm going to put my mouse in here. This is how you would basically type it in. What was she calling that? She was calling it galleries. Okay. So go back here. So put my mouse in there, center it because I always want it centered, and then I'm going to type in galleries. Now I need it to go somewhere, so I need this code, this right here. This links the words that you've typed or the image that you typed to the link you want it to go to. Paste, and I can select here, I can select here to open it in a new window, which you wouldn't do on a website. Well, you would on, let's say you would in this particular case because it's a directory. So you want your website to stay open and when they're visiting it to go to somewhere else. So I'll show you that because the other ones are going to, I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, so now we're going to take this image. Doesn't want to show me the image. There we go. I need to pull this out, so let's try just that. Nope. Okay, so let's see if we go. No, it's going for the last line, so let's try it this way. They have something in the code that's not showing this, so what I'm going to have to do is open another HTML editor. HTML. Let's go to this one. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that whole line and then need an editor. Copy that whole line like this. Copy. Control C. Go to the HTML editor, put it in here. Get that picture. See, the picture's right there now. Okay, so now I need copy link location. Copy. I need copy image location. I'm not seeing that. So I'm going to go over here in this code and find it by deleting everything else. And this is all the other miscellaneous code that's in the website. So let's try to find the image in here. Let's do this. Let's find it this way. There it is. Totally forgot about that because my mind is not awake this morning. Okay. All right. So now we go back to this one, and we're going to put this, and I'm going to select center, and then I'm going to put image. And then I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to set the description. It's that big, so that'll work for what I'm doing. See, and then we're going to go back here. And we're going to copy pricing. No. Okay. So we know that there's two ways to do this. So there's something in the code right there that's getting in my way. So I'm going to just click on it and get the link for it and then do it this way. So put this in here, center, pricing. Highlight it and link it this way. It's because it's around this picture that's giving that problem. Copy. Center. Paste. One more. Let's connect. Copy. And I want to set this entire table. I want to set the properties of the table to not go past 790, because the place where I'm putting it is at 800 pixels. So I want it to fit within that without throwing off the page. So now that I've done that, alignment is center, and okay. Now I have my code. So now what I do is I go over to my site where I'm going to put it in, and we're going to call this directory. And then just call that directory too. And we put this code in here and update. And now when we go here, wait, I didn't activate the page. Activate the page. Now hit refresh. Okay, so now we have directory in here. So what we're going to do is, there it is right there. So now I can make this bigger and all that other stuff. I mean, I can make these little wall things bigger, or I can make them disappear. And I'll show you that in other videos. This is just to show you how this works. Now, I told you that I was going to show you this. So now that I have this directory here and it says who it is, and I could have other businesses underneath here. This could be wedding photographers or whatever. So if I click on home, look, it takes me to the same exact page. And then go back. And it's the same with all of these. Now remember, I think it was galleries that we put in manually to pop up in a new window. Nope, it wasn't that. It's okay. It was Meet Shan. Nope. Okay, maybe I forgot to change it. I don't know. But I'll show you how to do that in another video as well. But you did actually see how to do it. Okay. All right, so that's how you make a table and get it to lay out the way you want. And like I said, you can take out these boxes to where the boxes don't show. But in this particular case, this is a directory, so we kind of want those boxes to be there. But we could change them and give them different shapes as well. And we're going to do that in different videos. So, like I said, this is how you use tables. And when you see a website like this, these are tables. These are tables. All of these are tables. The thing is that they have them invisible, so you can't see the little lines. But like I said, in this particular one, we want to see it there because this is like a directory, and it would look weird if the boxes weren't there in this particular case. All right, have a great day.